What's up guys, this is Manny's Working. Today I'm going to be painting a D10. We haven't done one of those in a long time. This one is Every Child Matters edition. So the whole D10 is going to be orange and black. This is actually a respray. Something happened with the previous paint that you had before and it was peeling. So we're going to be shooting the black today. Tomorrow we're going to be priming and shooting the orange on the rest of the unit. So stay focused for that. Hey guys, today I forgot to time-lapse the masking process of the black, so I apologize. Also, as you guys can see, we didn't mask the black blade that is sitting at the back as we got quite a bit of sand on top of it the previous day when we were painting it. So tomorrow we'll be sanding it and respraying it. And today we're just gonna focus on finishing this orange. So tomorrow we can unmask it and start getting the touch-ups done so this can go right out the door. And just like that, she's done. As we're putting the last few decals, we're getting a detail ready, and this is the final result.